If you want healthier meals but hate pulling out a pot, filling a steamer, and then dealing with a pile of dishes, this little microwave cooker could be a surprisingly useful shortcut. But there's one thing you need to know about using it straight out of the microwave, and it matters more than you might expect. This is a collapsible microwave steamer cooker designed for people who want quick, simple steaming without sacrificing valuable kitchen space. It's made from food-grade silicone, includes a removable rack, and can handle everything from vegetables and potatoes to fish, chicken, dumplings, and reheating leftovers. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The biggest attraction is the combination of speed and simplicity. Instead of setting up a traditional steamer, you can add your food, put the lid on, and microwave it. Vegetables can take roughly 5 to 10 minutes, depending on the food and your microwave, which makes this especially convenient when you're trying to get dinner on the table without much preparation. Steaming also lets you cook without adding oil, making it an easy option for lighter meals. The design is where this cooker really stands out. The silicone body collapses down when you're finished, so it takes up much less room than a rigid steamer basket or bulky cookware. That's particularly useful in smaller kitchens where every inch of cabinet or counter space matters. The translucent silicone also gives it a fairly clean, simple appearance rather than looking like another oversized kitchen gadget. There's a practical trade-off, though. When a steamer comes out of the microwave, the silicone can become quite flexible while it's hot. That means you need to handle it carefully, especially when it's filled with hot food and water. Trying to lift or move it too quickly could cause the container to flex unexpectedly. So while the collapsible design is excellent for storage, it requires a little extra care during handling. For everyday cooking, the removable rack gives you more flexibility. You can steam vegetables like broccoli, asparagus, carrots, and potatoes, but the cooker can also be used for fish, seafood, chicken, pasta, noodles, steamed buns, and dumplings. For a couple or a small family, choosing the right size is important. The smaller version is better suited to 1 or 2 people, while the larger model can hold enough food for roughly 3 to 5 people. Just make sure the larger bowl actually fits inside your microwave before buying. Cleanup is another strong point. The silicone construction is dishwasher-safe, and it's designed not to easily retain stains or odors. That makes it more practical for frequent use than cookware that needs to be scrubbed after every meal. And once it's clean and dry, you can collapse it and store it away instead of leaving another bulky container on the counter. Compared with a traditional stovetop steamer, this microwave version gives up some versatility and hands-on control, but it wins on convenience and storage. Compared with rigid microwave steamers, the collapsible design is the major advantage. If your kitchen is short on space, or you mainly want quick portions of vegetables and other foods, that can make this a better everyday choice. Overall, this microwave steamer makes the most sense for busy households, apartment kitchens, meal preppers, and anyone who wants an easier way to steam food without adding another bulky appliance. It's not perfect, especially when handling the flexible container while it's hot, but the combination of quick cooking, easy cleanup, and compact storage makes it genuinely useful. If your biggest goal is making healthy meals with less effort and less cleanup, this is a practical little kitchen tool worth considering. If you found this review helpful, give the video a like, subscribe for more honest product reviews, and check the link in the description for the latest price and availability.